Hello everyone, I'm Carlos Zanella, your Prescott, Arizona realtor. Today I want to talk about something a little bit different. In my previous videos, I always mention how beautiful Prescott is, what a great nature is surrounded by, why you should move here, retire, visit. But what about if you are already here and you need to get out of town in a hurry? We do have an airport. No stress, no waiting. The honor system water dispensing machine was flawless. You grab 2 little bottles of water, you leave $1.
I'm not sure it will work everywhere else, but
That's why Prescott is so unique. I grabbed those 2 bottles, I thought this is so cool. They're small, can go through security because they're really tiny. And well, that didn't work out that way because I had to give them back after a couple minutes. Flights out of Prescott. Yes, we do have United Airlines that will take you directly to Los Angeles, which is great. Directly to Denver, perfect. Not directly to Phoenix. In fact, if you want to fly out of Prescott going to Phoenix, either you take an air taxi, which will cost you just as much as going to an exotic vacation, or you'll be better off riding your moped down to Phoenix. You'll be quicker. These 2 connections are great because if you think about Los Angeles will take you anywhere, not only in the United States, but anywhere in the world. So you came from Denver. Recently I flew overseas and what I did is just book a flight from Los Angeles to my overseas destination and then booked myself a connection flight from Prescott to Los Angeles. Flying out of Prescott is easy, fairly inexpensive if you book in advance, and having a direct flight to Los Angeles and Denver are 2 major connections that will take you anywhere in the world. Prescott is a small town, it is growing, and I foresee more flights coming in and going out of. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and I will see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. So long, my friends.